there, and welcome to our RV here in Europe for the next 12 days. Come on in.
The name of the car is this, but
it's lovely, but way bigger than we were expecting. I thought we were getting a camper van.
And it's stick, which I didn't know. So luckily I know how to drive stick.
Let the 12-day road trip begin! Good morning and welcome to Croatia. The last time you saw us, we were actually in Georgia, the country, but we did end up taking like a very late flight and we flew like 7 hours to get to Croatia on 2 different flights, but we are doing something very exciting. In this upcoming 12-part series, we are going to be traveling by camper van all over Croatia, Italy, Slovenia, and we cannot wait. So this is part 1 of 12. We are going to be filming every single day while we explore this beautiful part of the world. And today we are picking up our camper van and driving it to our first location. You need to bring your driver's license, an international driver's license, your social security card, and your passport. We didn't know, and I'm glad that I brought that all with me. We're checking out the car. Wow.
the name of the car is this, but how is
this is a lot bigger than we were expecting. It's the size of 2 cars. And it's tall. I'm a little bit nervous to drive around, but I think we've got it. His name is Stitch. She's a beauty. Thank you so much. We're excited.
Thank you so much for everything. It's official.
I'm very
Officially
nervous.
official. We have all the paperwork sorted.
The guy reminded me to go through and make sure all of the like cabinets were closed. Just check. I checked everything. Things are off, things are closed. Just make sure. I think we're ready to go. We're getting in Stitch. Ready, babe? It's so
This is so much bigger than I thought when I booked it, but on the road again. It's like I'm driving like a school bus. All right, we drove to the store. Now let's go shop. We have 3 hours to get there. Let's go. It is hectic in there. Literally everyone is checking at the exact same time. Campsite 207.
Okay.
Oh, and we have made it to Umag, Croatia, which is almost on the border of Italy. It almost feels like an Italian, like coastal town, but we're still in Croatia. But you're gonna see why we're here specifically very soon. Electricity, very important.
How do we know if it's actually working though? Like, how do we know if it's connected? Let me see. Welcome, welcome. I don't know how many square feet this is, but it's a very large camper here in Croatia. I really do want to give you a warm welcome into our very large camper that we thought was going to be a very small, regular size camper van and turned into a very large camper. Welcome to the dining room. In the dining room / office, we have this huge table. We have 2 chairs, an extra chair over here. Like, this can really fit 5 people probably comfortably in here. It can get pulled out like this and you can make it a dining room table for everyone. Come check this out. Come here. Look at this kitchen. It's bigger than our kitchen that we had when we lived in Harlem in New York. But the kitchen has a fully functioning water setup, a fully functioning gas setup. And so you can like cook, you can use the sink for everything, and like tons of cabinet space. Like, I can't get over how much space is in this little tiny area. They definitely knew how to set this area up. It took us a while to find the outlets in this van, but there are 2 outlets right here in the sink area, and then there's one right by the front door, which is very helpful for us since we have a lot of electronics. But this is another luxury that we have here, and it's our refrigerator. Let's go check out the bedroom, and then Nick's gonna do his traditional bathroom tour. This is our bedroom. It is so cozy. We each have our own bed, but we can fold this down and then like lay next to each other if we want to. But these beds are like Tempur-Pedic beds, so they're very soft and very comfortable. And underneath these beds are like more cabinets to put in your clothes. We have a whole bunch of shelves up here, more shelves back here. We have this vent. And this RV is equipped with heater and air conditioning. We are the second people to take this camper van out. It only had 2,100 kilometers driven before us. And so we're like the second ones to use all of this amazing equipment, sleep in these beds, everything, which is kind of nice. So when you're ready for bed, there's like a little remote here that you push and the bed will come down. So it goes like right over the table, but then you can put the bed up when you're like awake and moving around so that you have space and stuff. But it's really a cool, crafty way to have more people sleep in this kind of RV.
Welcome to the master quarters. Actually, the bathroom door just actually closes up, so you actually have like a master's quarters back here. It's pretty legit. All right, now on to my grand shower that we have not used yet.
That's pretty good.
Here it is, your toilet. Tons of space. So this mirror actually locks. Like, you just like the cabinets, it's like a little button. It's got towel hooks, water. And the water pressure everywhere has been very, very good. I'm sure you're curious how to use this toilet. If you've never had an RV or like a camper van, I'm sure they're all very similar. But basically, a little handle down here. You just pop it open. Bob boom, bob bang, you gotta do what you gotta do, and that's it. Oh yeah, and then you flush first. That's usually important. Just a little, not wasting our water. I just refilled our water, so. And you close it like this. Then you pop this guy closed and bada boom bada bang, no smell, no nothing.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our first day in this beautiful bad boy named Stitch in Croatia. And we hope you enjoyed this beautiful camper. We are so excited to be in this camper for the next 12 nights. And tonight is going to be night 2 of the music festival here in Umag, Croatia, which is why we're starting our time in this like very small bay town in the very most northern part of Croatia. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you're excited for the next 12 days like we are excited, and we can't wait to bring you around with us as we go explore this beautiful part of the world. But we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all the things, and until next time, we will see you on the go. My legs don't touch the ground. I feel like I'm on a rocket ship. Like, I'm so high up in this car that I'm like a little higher than Nick, and my feet literally don't touch the ground. Oh goodness. Helpful hint, if you have a small space that you're gonna be driving around in and like living in, like garlic, just use all of the garlic or toss it. Or like compost it or something, because okay, This is our bedroom and it's so cozy. Okay, this is not comfortable. Let me sit here.
If I just can't drop the soap.
Which he does a lot.
That does happen a lot.
How's it going out there, babe?
It's going. It's coming.